Hardware setup for KGDB. Two machines are required for using KGDB. One is a host machine, or you can also call it as development machine. The other is a target machine. Host machine or development machine, it runs GDB against the VM Linux file. Important point here is it is VM Linux. It's not VM Linux. VM Linux is a compressed one. This is an uncompressed one, and this file should contains symbols, the debug symbols. It should be compiled with debug info. So on the host machine, you need GDB, and it is running on, so like GDB application name, you will be giving GDB VM Linux. The VM Linux should contain debug symbols. And on the target machine, you run KGDB, and it contains the compressed image. So it is running a KGDB on the Linux kernel. Both of the host and target are connected either using serial port or using Ethernet connection. So this is the setup. You need two machines if you want to use KGDB. You cannot use a single machine. You need to have a development machine and you need to have a target machine. On the target machine, you have KGDB, which is a GDB server implementation in the Linux kernel. On the host machine, you have GDB. It will be running GDB against the VM Linux file. So KGDB, it supports serial port communication. The support for this is available in the mainline kernel, and then it also supports Ethernet connection. But for the support is not available in the mainline kernel. You need to apply a patch for this. The support for KGDB in the mainline kernel is available since 2.6.26 for this x86 and Spark architecture. And for ARM, MIPS and PPC, this support is available from 2.6.27. Now with this setup, you can do as breakpoints, step-by-step execution. You can do breakpoints in interrupt handler as well, read and write the memory. So all things which you can do using GDB, now you can do it with GDB on a user space process. You can do it on a kernel, running kernel. So as said, we need two machines. One is a host and a target. Host will be running a GDB instance. Target will be running KGDB.